The 10 Best Margarita Makers 2021 must have in your kitchen. It's always 5 o'clock somewhere when you have a margarita machine. While the basic recipe for a margarita is fairly straightforward, tequila, lime, a little sugar and maybe some salt, getting the right texture can be challenging with a regular blender. Margarita machines churn out resort-quality frozen drinks with very little effort. Just pour in the ingredients and press the on button. To help you find the ideal margarita machine, we also looked at critical and user reviews to see which ones deliver on the broadest set of desires, and pick the best of the best. So, let's get started with the lists. 1. Margaritaville Frozen Concoction Maker. This machine was made to create smooth, ice-chunk-free margarita. The blending jar has a 36-ounce capacity, and features mixing tools with measurements for margaritas, but also pina coladas and daiquiris. The 450 watts of shaving and blending power delivers a pitcher's worth of cocktails. 2. Happy Buy Commercial Slushy Machine. The machine is powered with 1,600 watts for effective cooling. The control panel on the side features stirring, blending and energy-saving modes. The detachable drip trays keep everything neat, and this machine can be used not just for margaritas, but alcohol-free Slurpees, other cocktails, iced coffee, and frappes. 3. Margaritaville Tahiti Frozen Concoction Maker. If you're throwing a party, this Margaritaville machine will cover all your bases. It features 3 individual 24-ounce blending stations, which allows you to make mega batches of margaritas, or make up to 3 different frozen cocktails. 4. Nostalgia Taco Tuesday Frozen Margarita and Slush Blender. This budget blender is designed to make smooth frozen cocktails. It features a 64-ounce capacity, and couldn't be easier to use. Just dump in the ingredients and ice, slap on the lid and hit go. 5. Ninja Mega Kitchen System and Blender. If you want to make more than just margaritas with one machine, this is a fantastic option. The Ninja comes with a 72-ounce capacity pitcher that churns out margaritas at 1,500 watts of power that would put your favorite bar to shame. But it also features an 8-cup food processor that provides perfect, even chopping and can make up to 2 pounds of dough in 30 seconds. 6. Nostalgia Taco Tuesday Lime Juicer and Margarita Kit. This margarita machine is a great option if you just want to whip up a few quick drinks on the fly. It features a 32-ounce capacity, and a built-in juicer for limes and other citrus fruits. 7. Nostalgia Frozen Drink Station. This 1950s-era blending machine will have you flashing back to the old-fashioned soda shops of yore. The blender capacity is 40 ounces, and the low-wattage, 40-watt, blender will deliver smooth margaritas and slush drinks, but it will be on its own lo-fi timetable. 8. Nostalgia 1-gallon Margarita and Slush Machine. This Nostalgia machine comes with a handle on top, making it practical to carry around. This blender blends remarkably smooth drinks, according to reviewers, and while it does not have its own cooling system, it is well enough insulated to keep the drinks cold after the initial blending process. 9. Oster 6812001 Core 16-Speed Blender. If you're only going to make margaritas occasionally, this is a wonderful 700-watt blender that will perform the trick seamlessly. The blender is equipped with 16 speeds, from pulse to puree, and the 40-ounce pitcher is dishwasher safe. 10. Margaritaville Key West Frozen Concoction Maker. This 450-watt powered margarita machine makes up to 2.5 pitchers of frozen drinks, thanks to its supersized ice reservoir. The blending jar contains 36 ounces of tropical fun. Thanks for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. Subscribe now to help the channel.